Hey guys, it's Jamie here, and it's time to do my weekly planner from the 25th to the 31st of October, and of course gotta go with a Halloween theme. I did do smaller stickers this time. I've got lots and lots of witches, so I went with a witch theme. I wanted a good choice, so I've printed all those up onto sticker paper, and we're just going to see how we go. I need to be even more organised. I'm still not getting into that whole organisation gig. This is the big to do. We can do a happy Halloween over the top. We don't actually need to know it's October. And we could have a cauldron or a witch and a cauldron at the bottom like that. She could be, oh yeah, she could be sitting sort of with the cauldron behind her. Yeah, that's cool. I think that's super cute actually already. Off to a good start. I know I'm busy towards the end of the week, so I want more boxes towards the end. And I know I'm going to actually be working Saturday and Sunday. And something like that actually works quite well. And then it's just, where do we put all our witches and decorations and things? We have another cauldron, but obviously we've got more witches first. Lots of witches actually. I'm just placing them around. I'm sure there might be better ways to do things, but I'm not sure. I don't know actually. I'm quite enjoying. I've got accessories as well as witches. Lots of purple witches this side. We might need to go with some different colours. Oh, they're so cute. Got a lot of sitting down ones that side. I may have run out of witch space. I don't know about her. She looks a bit too cartoony. I'm wondering about her instead. Bring that down a bit. Yeah, I think I prefer her. So I'm going to bring that box down and then have her sitting on top of the box. Maybe slightly into the box. I don't know. So the books go into the box. I think that works better. Then we've got her, and she could be sitting there. I do like covering the edges of the box up with the people a little bit. It just works, for me it works a little bit better. Now she's flying, but where should we have her flying? I think probably across the box a little bit. I'm going to put this one here with her, I think. We wanted this one down here and maybe her sitting on that one. I want her sitting on the box, but I might put her right over. We've got October the 31st. What else do we have? We have Trick or Treat Pumpkin, which is quite cute. Thingy ball. I don't know that we're going to get many of these on here without it. That one's quite, but then it's directly above that one, isn't it? Maybe next to her. Maybe. We've got some tarot cards, but then you'd want those over that corner maybe. Got Ouija board. What else do we have? A Ouija planchette thing. Some are bigger than others. What's this little thing? Ah, here's a little fortune thing. I have Basic Witch. I do quite like that. I don't know why, but I don't know that I've got anywhere to put that. Got a book, the Dark Arts Handbook. We're getting there. I mean, there's not much else. I've got Boo. I'm not sure about this. I don't know about that Basic Witch yet. Really don't. We have a pink potion, but I don't think that really goes. I have the big tarot cards, but again, I'm not sure there's a place for them unless you put them down there. We do the big tarot. Then that one. And then the Trick or Treat Pumpkin. Yeah, I might do that. Now we don't have much left. We can debate whether anything is going to go down or not. It's making a bit of a diagonal that now, isn't it? Maybe I will end up with another cauldron. Quite like it. We're going to use the cauldron. It is still in a diagonal, but I think by doing a slightly different size and shape, it kind of doesn't look as... Oh, sticking to my fingers. Doesn't look as much on the diagonal. Don't have much else, admittedly. We have more witches, but we don't have much in the way of accessories. We have a witch that I'm not overly keen on. got an overly sexy witch. We have a small witch, but she doesn't go with all the others. Unless you were to put her... No. We have a very, very overtly sexy witch, which might work there. It's very busy, but I kind of like it. And then we have broomstick, which I don't seem to have space for, which is a shame because I like it, but maybe I could just put it down the side or something. Well, I'm amazed at how much I've managed to use of these. I didn't think I'd use as many. But I want the top of her hat to be on that Halloween. Oh, we've got another boo. I don't mind doing another boo. Normally, I don't double up on things like that. That fits that space really nicely. I think that works quite well because it's not level, so that's fine. Just don't know where you could put the broom. Ah, unless you pretend it's propped against the cauldron. Oh, you could do that, couldn't you? Plenty to look at in this week. Proppy broom. I don't know if that works or not, but it's okay. It's okay. We have a book, more tarot, which you have got tarot up there, so you could have more tarot. Or you got the Ouija thing. I think it has to be the Ouija, but it's kind of, that one goes that way, so that will go that way, wouldn't it? Yeah, I'm going to put that there because why not? It's already got an overload of stickers, so you might as well just go for it now. And then the only two things I've got left are the tarot cards and the book, which you don't have to have, so I may not, we think. Let's have a quick look. Stand up to have a quick look. That's definitely Halloweeny, definitely witchy, full. Still got plenty of boxes I can write on and in between boxes. Plenty of space for me. It's probably a little bit overdone. Probably could have done with bigger figures, less of them. But it is what it is. I'm perfectly happy with it. It's Halloween themed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that other people can see these videos. Do consider subscribing. I don't just do planning. I do junk journaling, art journaling, ephemera making and other stuff, probably in the future. And let me know what you think in the comments. Should I have done bigger witches, less of them? What do you think? And I will see you next time.